Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to edit your portfolio on the Yahoo Finance app so you can update shares, loads and transactions accurately. Let's get started. First, open the Yahoo Finance app on your phone and make sure that you are signed in with your Yahoo account. Now within the home page, scroll down and you will see the list of the portfolio. Within the list, tap one of them. Once your portfolio opens, look for the small open icon at the left corner. Tap on it to open the portfolio in the details. Inside your portfolio, you will see View Holdings option. Tap on it. This will show all the shares you have for each company in the portfolio. Then tap on View Loads. Now you will see options like share loads, transaction, dividends, and cash balance. To edit, select loads or transactions. This shows the individual purchases on that company. Then tap on a specific load or transaction. It opens the load details page or transaction page. Here you can update important informations like transaction type, date, shares, cost, and commissions. In order to edit, tap the edit option given at bottom. Please make sure to update the information. After updating the details, tap Save or OK. Your portfolio will now reflect the changes and the Yahoo Finance will automatically update the performance, gains and total values based on your edited information. Remember that editing a portfolio on the Yahoo Finance does not buy or sell shares. It only purely track and manage your investment accurately. And that's it. Editing your portfolio in the Yahoo Finance app is simple once you know where to find your holdings and loads. Always make sure to keep your data accurate to easily track your performance. So if this video helped you, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video with more easy finance tips.